You to ride to school? How about sale money?
Awesome! Baby, time for dinner!
Come on, Sam. Let me give you a little brotherly advice. You gotta wash up before you chow down.
Okay, brother. We should have made this wish a long time ago.
Honey, I'm home.
You remember Tommy, our son? Our 18-year-old son?
18? But what's his face is only 10. That means you're old. And I've forgotten 8th wedding anniversary. Be right back with more presents.
More presents? Works for my old self. Welcome home, son. Ow, my hip!
Oh, you're not hip anymore. You're old.
A big brother.
I'm only 13 years old doing this.
Just a few more stitches and you'll be fine.